Capricorn's approach to problem solving. Capricorn handles problems with a calm, practical, and highly strategic mindset. They don't panic or react impulsively. Instead, they pause, observe, and assess the situation before taking action. Their first instinct is to understand the root of the issue rather than just dealing with surface-level symptoms. One of their strongest traits is logic over emotion. Even in stressful situations, Capricorn tries to stay composed and think clearly. They separate feelings from facts, which allows them to make decisions that are effective, not just emotionally satisfying in the moment. This doesn't mean they don't feel. It means they choose not to let emotions control their response. They are also methodical and structured in their approach. Capricorn breaks problems down into smaller parts, analyzes each piece, and works step by step toward a solution. They don't rush the process. They focus on getting it right. Their patience allows them to handle complex situations without becoming overwhelmed. Another key strength is their sense of responsibility. When a problem arises, Capricorn doesn't avoid it. They face it directly. They take accountability for what they can control and focus on fixing things rather than blaming others. This makes them reliable in difficult situations, especially when others feel lost or uncertain. Capricorn is also highly solution-oriented. They don't dwell on the problem for too long. They quickly shift their focus to what can be done to improve the situation. They look for practical, realistic solutions that will work in the long term, not just temporary fixes. They rely heavily on experience and past lessons. If they've faced a similar problem before, they will use that knowledge to guide their decisions. They rarely repeat the same mistake twice because they learn and adapt quickly. However, their approach can sometimes make them seem emotionally distant or overly serious. Because they focus so much on fixing the issue, they may overlook the emotional side of the situation, both in themselves and others. Learning to balance logic with emotional understanding is something they grow into over time. In the end, Capricorn's problem-solving style is about calm thinking, structure, and long-term solutions. They don't look for quick escapes. They look for answers that will actually work and last.